Okay, so yesterday, Ash, you were working on being proactive. You were calling people in Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia. Then you're up at Severn calling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what you're doing, you're calling people that is already prepaid their service agreement, renewed their service agreement,
Yeah.
and then you're getting them on the schedule, ready for the spring startup.
Yes.
So what day were you starting with? March,
23rd.
Monday, March 23rd, and you're going from there?
Yeah.
Okay, so how's that going?
Some people are good with that day, but then other people are like, we want it later.
They want it later in the
Yeah.
season, they're waiting for the landscaper to clean their yard up, or they're waiting for this, or power washing the house, or I guess a deck going on. There's a lot of things going on with people. And
Yeah.
we're one of the many pieces. But you heard all positive. A lot of people wanted to get scheduled. They're anxious after this crazy winter,
Yes.
all the whole month of February. Mr. Hall, how are you, sir?
No, Dan, very nice.
We were just talking about spring startups yesterday. Ash was booking. How's everything going in sales?
Pretty good. I got a couple drainage ones today.
Okay,
Sold an irrigation yesterday, a local one right in Crofton.
cool.
And then we have a garage floor going on today.
Yeah, Rudy's over there at Mr. Barrow's house. That's in Easton.
That would be the 4th or 5th one we've done for him.
Yeah, yeah. It started with Bill Selway
Yes.
years ago, and then Miss Barrow keeps moving around, so we keep following him around. I know he just had some health issues with the leg, so now he's up and around. So we're over there doing that today. So how's your spring shaping up? Good.
Pretty good.
Okay. And actually, you and Nick should probably you'll end up getting Drew some more work if people always want to be added on their system. So I'm sure you'll be hearing that too.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, if you guys haven't had your lawn sprinkler system scheduled for your upcoming startup for the season, give us a shout here at the office, 410-721-2342, or hit the link below for more information. We'll talk to you soon.